So we got a new product here we're going to be unboxing and reviewing. This is a wireless pair of earbuds. You can get these on Amazon. Comes with a 60-day warranty as well as a lottery. Comes with a user manual. The earbuds themselves, we'll get to that in a minute. Comes with some accessories, large and small earbud silicone tips, as well as a Type C to Type A charging cable. They feel really nice. They're a lot smaller than normal AirPod Pros. What they look like. They look really good. The build quality on this is really good. It has a polycarbonate finish, but it's a really high quality polycarbonate. You have a USB Type C port on the bottom, a metal hinge. So this is what they look like. They're really small. These earbuds are lightweight and have a nice ergonomic design to them. This is what the speaker drive looks like. Looks really good. You also have right and left logo text. So in your phone, all you have to do is open up the earbuds. They're labeled as A1 headset. Now they're connected. And every time you connect your earbuds, they will connect really quick. There, took 5 seconds. Compared to AirPods, these are really compact. Very similar size to regular AirPods. As you can see, I really like the magnet. Tap the left or right earbud to play or pause. You can hold either earbud for 2 seconds to activate the voice assistant. Double tap the right earbud to skip. Double tap the left earbud for previous track. Triple tap right earbud to increase volume. Triple tap left earbud to decrease. These earbuds have dual channel transmission, which supports true wireless stereo plus. They have a lightweight, small and sleek design to them, perfectly handheld. The width is 2.4 inches, the height is 1.77 inches. Feels really good in the hands. Has a long-lasting battery. You can get about 4 hours on a single charge for the earbuds, 20 hours with the charging case. The earbuds have a 30 milliamp battery, and the case has a 260 milliamp battery. The Bluetooth range on these earbuds are 10 to 15 meters. Also have a 25-day standby time. Quick overview of all the specs. You have automatic pairing, Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, single mode, hi-fi stereo, binaural, calls, sweatproof, quick charge, long-lasting battery, and they have a 45-degree ergonomic design. I really like these earbuds. They sound really clear. They have a good amount of bass to them. They look sleek. And they are really lightweight and compact. They can fit perfectly in your pocket, your bag, and you wouldn't even notice that they're there. They're so small, they just look really good.